Good life, the data want a good life, yeah. G-Wagon a class, step in a hit, maga fast in a Farraga, my glass, chop up a freeway. Money up, have a flash, but if you're...
Hey guys, this is a Euro Japanese Yen update, also known as EURJPY. If you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. New content coming. I was unable to update this pair yesterday because I was very busy. I was on the road and not at home. However, I'm here now and we're just going to review quickly. This is just an update. It's not an in-depth analysis. So we see on the monthly time frame, we had EJ hitting this resistance level, finding this support, rising to this level, and then it began to respect this challenge. On the weekly time frame, we can see that EURJPY is in that downtrend because we're having on the higher time frame lower lows and we're having lower highs. We had this structure where it was in, it broke that structure. I originally intended for price to, or the analysis that I had shown that price was gonna come to these levels. However, as you can see on the weekly time frame, this is a bullish engulfing candle on the weekly time frame. So let's make sense of what's happening here. If we were to use the Fibonacci retracement tool, we're going to have it drawn from the lowest point to the highest point, which is here. So given that the tool is now drawn, we can see that the price had hit the 61.8% retracement line, which is this. If you look left, 61.8. So the 61.8% retracement is what took place, and then price shot up. But we're going to look more closely on the daily time frame to make sense of what's happening there. So let's look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see that price broke this structure, right? It had a rejection after the retest. It went down to this 61.8% retracement level. After hitting that 61.8% retracement, we see that price had a very strong bullish movement up to the upside. This support level was broken. So now we see that price is very bullish. Let's see how much pips that daily candle is. Okay, try from there. That's 192 pips. So 192 pip move from a daily candle. On the 4-hour time frame, let's see what happened there. So this is what happened on the lower time frame. So the higher time frame gives the direction, but the lower time frame gives give more details to what's happening on the higher time frame. So let's see what's happening. We saw that price came here, found support, and formed this head and shoulder type structure, right? In that head and shoulder type structure, we see that the head is what retested the support structure, which is now retested here as resistance. So when support is broken, we have resistance. The head is what retested and rejected. We had the right shoulder form here. Let's see it more clearly. After having that retest there, price began to form a falling wedge. And remember, the falling wedge is a bullish reversal pattern. So we have the falling wedge, 1, 2, 3 touches. After that third touch, we had an impulse break, and we didn't quite get a retest as we would like. However, you can see that it broke and retested here, continued up. So it's now at where the right shoulder was in that resistance level. The highest probability of it reaching is first this resistance level next, and if I were to extend this resistance level here, that would be another level to watch. So that is what I have for now. You can either have this. So let's do some forecasting. So we can have price leaving from this structure to this structure here next, or this structure here, or to hit this major time frame resistance level that we already have there. So it's any one of those. Then we can look for either a short if it's rejected, or a break and retest for a continuation up. So there's several ways that we can look out for this trade. However, we just have to see what's price doing now, because right now it's in a phase where you have to just wait until you get some good confirmation for either a short or a long. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe. We have more content coming, and please tell us what pair you want us to analyze. Thank you.